I got the fear of missing out every time we're hanging out at this party in Berkeley, where everyone feels comfortable but me. Here at this pop party, everyone's for sale. Pop party, I feel like I'm in jail at this pop party. I gotta bail. Everyone who's anyone is here. Did you hear what she just